hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 every.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Haha, what's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today, we have a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. But first, here's a live look at me hodling in the 2022 bear market. All right, I don't want to get copyrighted, but our top story is 500 million Ripple XRP worth 161 million transferred from Kraken to unknown wallet in a single transaction. This, my friends, is absolutely super bullish news. And because of this, XRP is absolutely pumping up over 10% on the day, up almost 12% on the day, almost 37.5 cents. Our top gainers on the day is in fact XRP. HNT is also up 10%. Laydao is up 9%. Stellar up 8%. And the top losers on the day, Terra Luna down 6%. Ravencoin down again 4.3%. And also ETH PAL down 15.66%. On the total market cap on the day, we're sitting at 975 billion on the day. And onto the crypto bubbles, as you can see, mostly a nice green day. You see that nice big green bubble by XRP. You guys know that I absolutely, positively, unequivocally love me some XRP. It's one of my biggest holdings. Now, if we go over here and look at the charts on XRP, we have been in this channel for a long time, and we're still ranging in this channel, but we have broken out of this trend line. So if we get any closes above 41 cents, this could be sayonara. We have been ranging within this channel right here for 137 days, and we have been on this trend line here. Let me go on the daily. And we have been in this trend line, not broken out one time for over 538 days. We have been within this trend line, and folks, we have just now broken out for the first time in almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. We have been within this trend line for almost 2 years. And for the first time in 538 days, XRP has broken out of the trend line. On the MACD, we are to the upside. SEC case right around the corner. This, my friends, could be the moment we have been waiting for. We have been starving for. We have been thirsty for. If we get a close above 41 cents, XRP could absolutely just go on a moon mission. Now, if you look here, let's go on the daily again. XRP does this stuff quick. Like a couple a couple of days. Like, look at this right here. 7 days, 200%. Let me show you a couple more. Like when XRP moves, it moves. It is not waiting around. It's not sending out any memos. None of that. 11 days, 300%. Okay. So when XRP goes, she absolutely, positively, unequivocally goes. All right. Now on to the what to mine. Mining profits are absolutely trash right now. And for me as a miner, it is the time where I'm going to be recouping, upgrading my farm. It is the off season. It's time to train. It's time to get better. It's time to focus on how I can make my farm better. And for me, this is accumulating more hardware and trying to get more towards free energy so that these electricity costs do not faze me, because I could still be making on just this one rig $1 of gross per day. 137 of gross if I had free energy, but I don't have free energy. So therefore, it is costing me more money to mine than it is to just hold the coins. So it is much better to just buy the coins. Now, major Ethereum mining pools will back ETH work. Okay. And if you look on here, I thought that it wasn't actually on here, but it is right here. This is Ethereum work. And you can see right here onto the crypto bubbles, Ethereum work is down 6.5% on the day. It was down 15%. It looks like it's having a little bounce here. Now, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you this real quick. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I had to turn off my damn Alexa because she was just running rampant over there, just like XRP is running rampant today. Okay, now on to the non-fungible tokens for XRP. It looks like we have a couple more percentage, so hopefully they're getting close to fixing this bug. We have to get this above 80% for over 2 weeks. And once that happens, XRP can have some NFTs. And by golly, Miss Molly, once that happens, that could be the straw that broke the camel's back for XRP and could actually have it pumped to the moon. And every day, every single day is 1 day closer of XRP settling with the SEC. Now, here is a look at Kanye West explains why he terminated his contract with Gap GPS. I'm not going to argue with people who are broker than me about money.
Sorry to interrupt. While we have you, we're showing the stock right now of Gap and Adidas, and Gap got hurt today on that news. And in general, it's been a struggling retailer. They lost the CEO, Sonia Singhal, the one who you, I believe, made the deal with to begin with, and they're trying to stabilize the overall business. You've always liked this company, and you talked about how you had high hopes for the partnership. Do you think that Gap can ever sort of regain its cool again and be a big player?
They only have one opportunity to be able to be a big player. What do you think it is?
I feel like you're not happy with them today, so you're not going to be too optimistic.
No, I'm saying they have one individual on the planet that could save the Gap. And that individual, I'm asking you, who do you think it is? Sometimes the answer is sitting right in front of you.
Well, there was a lot of potential in this deal, but it sounds like you're terminating.
Well, don't bring a leader in and have them not lead. Why would I argue with people who are getting paid by the guy? I'm sorry, I'm not going to argue with people that are broker than me about money.
Understood. Yeah, we thank you for the time today and for joining us on the show.
All right,
Appreciate
the glasses are coming down soon. There we go.
So there is Kanye West saying he's not going to argue with people who are broker than him. Now, on to some other news. XRP, as we already discussed, is up over 11% in the last 24 hours. Investors are now expecting positive regulatory news that may finally conclude the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case. So this is why people are expecting XRP to settle with the SEC. So let's take a look at this.
So I think the problem is that the SEC isn't sharing with us the framework that they're using. Gary Gensler famously argues that virtually all crypto tokens are securities. I think reasonable people can disagree with that.
Let's go, Brian Poland.
Classification, but pretty much everything else he says is a security. But then he doesn't go on to say how we would apply the existing frameworks that we use to regulate securities issuance and trading to a very, very new and very different technology where some of these things don't fit, right? Custody rules, clearance rules, these things don't have any application. And he hasn't provided any clarity on that. I think actually Congress should step in and provide some guidance. I think crypto is sufficiently different, even if you want to argue that these tokens are securities. You go ahead and make the argument, but you can't dispute that they're very different from a stock or a bond, and therefore Congress ought to step in and provide a framework. I'm working on that. That's going to be really hard to get done. In the meantime, Chairman Gensler owes us much more clarity on how and why he intends to apply SEC regulations.
He owes us on how and why these regulations are coming. Now, if you're just joining us, XRP has broken through a 538-day trend line. You look here on the charts, it has busted through 538 days worth of resistance. And as you can see right here, we have wicked out of this. Now, we are still within this little channel, but if we get a close above 41 cents, it could be absolutely sayonara, goodbye, turn the moon mission back on for XRP. And we are right on this 200-day moving average. So let's see. This is a big moment for XRP. Can't wait to get rich off of XRP. You and me both, my friend. XRP is one of my biggest holdings, and I have just been waiting for them to flip the switch. But is it finally time for XRP? Is it finally, after years and years? Like, look at this. This is this trend line. We have not had one wick out of this trend line for over 538 days. We have not had one wick out of this trend line for almost 2 years. Do you think XRP is going to be big like Bitcoin one day? Big in what way? Do you think do I think it's going to be the price of Bitcoin, or do I think it's going to have the market cap of Bitcoin? Now, let's be realistic here. I love XRP. XRP is one of my biggest holdings. I could absolutely see XRP having a market cap higher than Bitcoin. I could see XRP being the highest cryptocurrency. I could see that very soon after the SEC case, because after the SEC case, XRP will be the very first cryptocurrency that is fully regulated. And once regulations happen, that means trillions and trillions of institutional investors following. So now the market cap, I do believe that XRP will be higher than Bitcoin one day. The pure price, I don't know about that. Bitcoin would have to absolutely just die because the supply of XRP is it's over 100 billion. It would be very difficult for the actual dollar price to be higher, but I could absolutely unequivocally see the price of XRP going above, the market cap of XRP going above Bitcoin and all of the other cryptocurrencies. And when XRP goes, it goes quick. It doesn't send out a memo. Like if you look at the charts here, like this is like all of this 325% in 10 days. No memos were sent out. Okay? That's just what it does. No memos will be sent out. It is just going to go on a moon mission really quick, really fast, in a hurry. No announcements, no warnings, none of that. And I think we are well overdue for that moment. If we can get a close above 41 cents here, there is absolutely thin air in between that and 63 cents. And at that point, we would have officially broken through. We have officially broken through this almost 2-year trend. And not only that, this is 100 and how many days? This channel right here, this parallel channel is 137 days. If we get a close above 41 cents, that is 137 days. Do you cover GameStop ANC on your channel? I did in the past. I have not covered it as of recently. I'm more focused on fundamental cryptocurrency projects, but I have in the past. I will go over anything, but XRP is the one that I'm the most excited about currently. All right, let's look at some other bullish news again coming from XRP. They will be adding non-fungible tokens once this gets above 80%. All the voting above 80%, and it stays there for 2 weeks. There was a bug in the software, and once this gets above 80% consensus over 2 weeks, XRP will have NFTs. That is going to be absolutely crazy bullish news. I know Michael Jordan is launching his NFT collection on the XRP network. Into other news, Binance bundles accounting for Helium tokens overpays clients millions. This is why I think Helium is actually pumping right now. It's up almost 10%. Yeah. Brian, I mostly do the cryptocurrency news and analysis. Can you give your thought on the AMC short squeeze? Okay. I tell you what, Brian, tomorrow, I don't want to speak on things that are not in my brain that I am I don't want to speak on things that are not currently in my brain. So if you come tomorrow for the live stream, I will give you my thought. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like this stream, and on tomorrow's live stream, I will give you my thoughts on the short squeeze. I will look at the charts and dive deep into that, but I don't want to speak on things that are not fresh in my brain. All right. Justin, White House says a U.S. CBDC has the potential for offering significant benefits. And who do you think the CBDC is going to be on the backs of? XRP, my friends. But if you made it this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down the word of the day. The word of the day is going to be XRP. Copy. But that is it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every